Hello and welcome to the hashtag 30 Days 30 Tips Challenge. This course is a 30-day fast-paced challenge to help experts, entrepreneurs, authors, speakers, coaches, consultants get out in front of their market, be seen, be heard, get known, get clients, grow your fans, grow your following, and importantly, make a bigger impact in your industry. If you are out giving advice and guidance, you are not going to make any sales at all if nobody can see you, if nobody can hear you, if nobody knows what it is that you give advice and guidance on. If you are selling online courses, if you're providing services, coaching or consulting of any kind, people are not going to come and buy from you if they don't know how you help, if they haven't seen for themselves that you're an expert, if you don't have any credibility with them. But there is a solution to this. Now, I remember when I very first started out in the online space as a coach, a consultant, an expert, and getting those first clients is really, really tough. You know, no one knows who you are. You don't have any followers on Facebook. You haven't got as many likes as you'd like. You haven't got anyone in your Facebook group. You don't have an email list. Now, even if you do, this is something that you need to be growing all of the time. And there is a really, really simple, really easy way to do that. And it's exactly how I have built a large business myself online, and how I have managed to get tens of thousands of students into my online courses before I spent a single cent on paid advertising. So this 30 days 30 tips challenge, it's quite simple in its concept, but it's actually quite hard to implement, as in most people give up after a few days and wonder why their business isn't successful. Basically, what we're going to do over the next 30 days of this challenge is get you out in front of your market. We're going to get you to start actually making a stamp, embedding yourself down as a leader, a credible leader that people recognize as knowing everything there is to know about your topic, so that they come to you or tag you or refer you when people or they themselves need your services. Now, the simple thing is this: you're going to deliver 30 tips to your audience every day for 30 days. Simple, right? Easy. Now, I'm going to encourage you to do this via live stream. Live streaming video is going to give you the most amount of reach, therefore the most amount of exposure. Great for business. It's also going to give you the highest opportunity for you to be seen. You know, you get live stream, you're going to be popping up on people's news feeds, and of course video is the most engaging way to connect with your audience. You know, when people get to see your style, they get to see your personality, your character, hear your voice, the way that you talk about your particular thing. It really is the fastest way to help people decide whether you're the right person for them or not. So we're going to encourage you to turn those video cameras on, go live, and share a tip a day for 30 days. Now, in this challenge, I'm actually going to walk you through exactly how to find what tips to actually give out. If you want to be sort of reaching up into the highest search rankings possible in Google and YouTube and Facebook, then there is actually a certain strategy you need to be using to find out exactly what content it is that people are searching for in your topic right now. So I'm going to show you how to do that so that you're actually producing content that not only is going to help you for this challenge to really raise your profile, increase your fans, your followers, your leads, your referrals, hopefully your income, but also so that you can repurpose everything you do on this challenge to then go on and market for you for the next 12 months. I mean, how good is that going to be, right? I'm not just promising you that if you do everything in this challenge for 30 days, that you will actually grow your exposure and your leads and your followers. I promise you that, or I'll give you a refund. And I'm also promising you that as a result of following everything you do in this course over the next 30 days, that you will actually have enough content for the whole year worth of marketing. So I'm really excited about this. This program has been running since 2015. It is always getting massive reviews, so much buzz and excitement. It will change the way you do your business. It will change your confidence on camera. It will change the way you go out and relate and communicate with the market. So I really encourage you to jump on board. It's only $47. So, you know, what have you got to lose? I expect you spend more than that on coffee a month. Jump on in and give yourself the opportunity to transform your business for the next 12 months. Now, if you really want to take things to the next level, you can pay $47 just for this course alone, just this amazing challenge, which is well worth it. Ask anyone who's been on it before. Or you can actually come and join my Edupreneur Academy for $47, where for the exact same amount of money, you will actually get access to well over 40 of my online courses. I mean, you know, $47 for one course or $47 for the whole membership, which includes live group calls with me a month, every month, and lots more. So you decide, but come on in and join us. This 30-day 30 tips challenge is going to be so much fun. It's going to help you take yourself to the next level in your business. It's going to help go to the next level in your marketplace. I mean, what more could you want to kick off the next 12 months ahead of us with a bit of rocket fuel? I'll see you there for hashtag 30 days, 30 tips challenge. Bye for now.